Hi, thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to talk about GEMS light out LEDs. Short video will talk about a little bit about the history of light out detection, the difference between light out detection with an incandescent lamp and an LED, and then we'll talk about the GEMS products in general. First of all, light out detection. How does it work? Well, there's a number of different systems, control systems that operate light out detection throughout the industry. But in general, they were all designed, most of them were all designed to work with an incandescent lamp. In general, the system works where the control system pulses a line of the circuit, goes through the incandescent lamp, and as long as the filament's in place, you have a closed circuit and a good light out indication. If the filament breaks or the light goes out, when the line's pulsed, you have an open circuit. Filament's gone, doesn't complete the circuit, and you get a light out detection and indication that you have an open circuit. So pretty simple system, and those, the control systems microburst these checks, 100 times a second, just about. Very fast, not 100 times a second, but it's quick, and so you get a lot of checks going on, and we've had to develop a system to work with that, because with an LED, what you have instead of a filament, you've got an array, all the diodes, and behind the array you'll have either one or multiple power boards. Now this is a 5-inch, and it's got 2 power boards back there, and the array in front. In this case here, this is a 8-inch multicolor, and it has the array up front and 2 power boards behind. What happens with light out detection without any additional software, you basically pulse the power board. Power board could be fine, and the array itself could be not so fine. ARIMA states that 50% of the LEDs, or 50% of the diodes out, you should be getting a light out detection indication. So what we've had to do, and other companies that build light out lights, you have to come up with software that basically monitors the array and gives you a light out indication when you lose diodes. So that's the interior side. That's what makes it work. Our lights, we start out with a basic can, poly can, both an 8 and 5-inch, perforated on the edges to give you some heat dissipation, and which reduces your condensation on the lens and reduces the heat, which is the biggest killer of LEDs. On the outside, we use 2 different types of lenses. We have, this is the 8-inch smoked or stone face lens, and this here is a 5-inch, comes both ways, 5-inch clear lens. The stone application would be used primarily in areas where you want a little reduced visibility from the brightness of the LED, as an example in a tunnel. So that's the manufacturing of the light. In our 5-inch light, this here is a 5-inch red. It's got red cabling. It's a single color. It's got 1 resistor on the back. It's got a label on it. And on the label, it indicates that this is an LO1, which means it would work with a GE type system. The light has 41 diodes, and so you'd get an indication of a failure or a light out detection somewhere around 20 diodes out, or half of the diodes. Great light. 50,000 hour lamp and 3-year warranty on this light. The 8-inch version is similar, except just bigger. This here has got green wire on it, so it's a green light. It has a single resistor, so it's a single color. It's got a label on it that indicates it's an LO2, which means it'll work with a Siemens system. And this has 82 diodes, so with roughly 40 diodes out, you're going to get a light out indication. GEMS was the first company to come out with a multicolored LED that worked with light out detection. Pretty much the same as the 8-inch single color, except it's got more diodes populated on the board. In this case, with your 3-color, you've got 243 diodes, and like I said, you can see 3 resistors, red, yellow, green cabling on the back, which says it's 3-colored light, and then your LO2 indication on the label itself. Again, same thing with this light, 50,000 hour and 3-year warranty. We also build a 4-color. 4-color is just like 3-color, except it's got extra color. It's got 4 resistors on the back, 4 different colors of cable. You got red, yellow, green, and white, and real solid product. And you ask, well, what are you going to do with the multicolor? Well, we've seen different applications where instead of a 4-color aspect or enclosure, it's reduced down to 2 aspects with each either a 3 or 4 color in there. It gives you a lot of options. You can run a signal with a yellow green, yellow red, red, a lot of different options for you to use and reduce the space and reduce the cost of a multi-stack enclosure. So big advantage. And again, those are 50,000 hour lamps with the 3-year warranty. Like to help you with your questions. If you have questions, you're not sure exactly what's best for you, give us a call at 904-230-2840. You can also check our website, not only for these products, but for anything else in the lighting side of the industry, including enclosures and junction boxes and masts and ladders, anything to do with signals. You can find that on our website at www.VELCORPGEMS.com. So please give us a call. Let us assist. If you need a catalog, let us know. Thank you for taking your time to spend with me today. Have a safe day.